Number 1. Have a hunch. It means to have an intuitive feeling or suspicion.
I have a hunch that he'll be late. I have a hunch that he'll be late. She had a hunch about the secret door. She had a hunch about the secret door. He has a hunch about the surprise party. He has a hunch about the surprise party.
Number 2. Have an interest in. It means to have a feeling of wanting to know or learn about something.
I have an interest in learning Spanish. I have an interest in learning Spanish. She has a great interest in history. She has a great interest in history. They have an interest in collecting stamps. They have an interest in collecting stamps.
Number 3. Have feelings for. It means to have a romantic or affectionate emotion towards someone.
He realized he had feelings for his friend. He realized he had feelings for his friend. She has strong feelings for her partner. She has strong feelings for her partner. Do you have feelings for anyone here? Do you have feelings for anyone here?
Number 4. Have a clear conscience. It means to feel that you have done nothing wrong.
She has a clear conscience about her decision. She has a clear conscience about her decision. After apologizing, he had a clear conscience. After apologizing, he had a clear conscience. They have a clear conscience after helping. They have a clear conscience after helping.
Number 5. Have a nap. It means to take a short sleep, usually during the day.
I'm going to have a nap this afternoon. I'm going to have a nap this afternoon. She had a nap after her long journey. She had a nap after her long journey. The baby had a nap in the stroller. The baby had a nap in the stroller.